This is a brief video on how to set up the INTEX ZX100 automatic pool cleaner. Take out all of the parts from the box and check with the manual that you have all of the parts listed. Screw the hose collar nut to one end of the hose. Assemble the brush with brush support. Press the clip-on brush support and press into slot. Then, place the micro screen inside the pressure release valve. If your filter pump's flow rate is between 2,100 to 2,800 gallons per hour, or 7,950 to 10,600 liters per hour, press button in the down position. If your filter pump's flow rate is greater than 2,800 gallons per hour, or 10,600 liters per hour, then press button so it's in the up position. From inside the pool, unscrew the nozzle from the water return connector. Screw the pressure release valve set to the threaded strainer connector. Push in and screw an end of the hose with the collar nut to swivel joint. Then, from inside the pool, screw the swivel joint to the pressure release valve. Extend the hose to opposite side of pool wall. Then cut the excess hose with scissor. Connect the other end of hose with hose collar nut. Push down and turn clockwise to secure. Open hose elbow and insert hose. Then close to lock. Hold the pool cleaner vertically and slowly lower device into water. Turn on the filter pump and make sure water is flowing through the micro screen and pressure release valve. The auto cleaner is now moving and vacuuming the pool floor. To clean the pool cleaner, turn off the filter pump and disconnect the power cord. Lift the auto cleaner above the water till all of the water has been released. Turn the hose collar nut counterclockwise to remove the hose. Flip the pool cleaner over and push the left and right levers to unlock. Use a garden hose to wash off debris net and base. Reassemble the pool cleaner. Replace debris net, base, and cover. Then, push levers to lock position. Screw on hose collar nut to continue cleaning. Before getting in the pool, please go through the pool safety checklist.